everybody. This video is going to talk about finding where a function is increasing, decreasing, or constant given the graph. So we're going to use the graph below to determine the behavior of the function between the indicated points. Okay, so let's look at this table here. Points A and B. So between points A and B, is it increasing, constant, or decreasing? Well, constant is always going to be a horizontal line. Okay? Increasing, we always go from left to right. I think that's how we read, right? So from left to right, is it going up or down? If it's going up, it's increasing. If it's going down, then it's decreasing. So between A and B, left to right, we are increasing, right? So for this one, right there, increasing. From B to C, we're going down. It's like a downhill. So decreasing. C and D, there's our horizontal line, constant. And D and E, what are we doing? Well, we're decreasing again. Okay? I'll make another video about how to determine intervals and do it in interval notation.